All right, we have ADHC. It is a micro penny stock, right? And they've had some increased volume. And as you can see, their year, they've never been over 1 cent. But I think things for this company could be changing soon. Now, they have this GlucoGuard device, okay, for nocturnal hypoglycemia. And this is a very bad thing because it means that blood sugar drops to unsafe levels and can result in unconsciousness and even death, okay? And it's when current continuous glucose monitor devices can fail to alert patients while they are asleep, okay? That is definitely not good. Now, as of yesterday, American Diversified Holdings, they have met with FDA and an advisory board to lead next stage of GlucoGuard development, all right? And we have Dr. Steven Weber. He has extensive experience. He also has some experience at the FDA. And this breakthrough device, it's a unique oral retainer device worn while sleeping and is the only medical device designed to automatically deliver glucose intraorally when needed and reduce risk associated with nocturnal hypoglycemia in type 1 diabetes. And they're not going to have a device like this, okay? And they're saying GlucoGuard, it breakthrough technology as they could not identify any currently cleared or approved alternatives for diabetic patients. And you could say here, this outline, this one. So no, there is not anything that meets this need as of now. And it could be used in hospitals, affects disparities in healthcare, and also in populations living alone or without a competent partner. And we could honestly say, who the fuck can find a competent partner today? So that is another big one for them. Now, here's the other thing. They are partnered with Dexcom. And what is Dexcom? Well, Dexcom is a $27 billion market cap company. Here we have Dexcom, and recently, well, they didn't have the best earnings, but that's okay, because then you have Dexcom. This was from April 10th, okay? So this is something that Dexcom just got. They received FDA clearance for the longest lasting wearable and most accurate CGM system. So this is another type of a continuous glucose monitoring that Dexcom has recently been approved for. The approval of Dexcom Day 15 marks another major innovation for Dexcom. And the fact that ADHC is partnered with them and their device here as of October, okay, they're going to be working with that company. Well, they've been. So they've completed an AI-based mobile application designed for Dexcom API integration. So that is huge. That was back in October. And then remember, Dexcom recently, an approval for one of these continuous wearable devices. And if we look at this, their leadership, okay, is looking very, very, very nice. You have Zachary Smith. And something I like about it, his younger brother, type 1 diabetic. So when you have founders or CEOs that have a personal connection with their company and their product, I think that is very important, incredibly important. And then this would be the Dr. Steven Weber, and his stint, he was a Johns Hopkins School of Medicine doctor, did his undergraduate in medical at University of Michigan. And then down here, you have him previously working at the Food and Drug Administration as a medical officer and clinical reviewer. He also had independent regulatory consultant. That's big. And then you have Bill. Bill has several companies that have had big medical devices, and he even sold one of them. It's a $1 billion company. He's been working, you have president of Endomed until its sale in February 2005. So that was a big one. And just 30 years of experience getting companies with revolutionary devices approved. So I think ADHC could have some big gains in the future.